Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys can see by the title of the video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get this beachy wave kind of messy hair tutorial. I know I've been off YouTube for quite a while now, but I'm back and I do want to hear in the suggestions, or I mean in the comments down below, what you guys want to watch. So if you guys want to see how I get this beachy wave kind of curl, then just keep on watching. So to get started with the hair tutorial, I'm gonna first part my hair right in the middle, and for this type of curl or hairstyle, I'm not gonna part my hair into like specific sections like I normally do. Since this is more of like a messy type of beachy wave curl, I'm just gonna go and like grab random hairs and just start curling them. I'm just gonna, the wand that I'm gonna be using is the Bellami wand, and this is like the skinniest wand they have. I believe it's the 1 inch. Yeah, I think it's the 1 inch. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it either on the screen or on the description down below, but I believe it is their 1 inch. And what I like to do is I grab also random like thick, thin, or thicker pieces, and I don't leave it there for long. I probably leave it for like, I'm trying to leave it for like 10 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds, just leave it. And my hair right now is washed and blow dried. And I strained it out a little bit just so the ends could be like a little straight for this hairstyle. And you'll see at the end how it does make a difference. So I'm basically doing this all over.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Thailand.
So yeah guys, as you know, I've been gone for a while from YouTube. I haven't recorded any videos, obviously. I have just been basically working and then just not finding any time for YouTube, but I do have some plans or like ideas that I do want to record, but I just kind of need to know like what you guys want to watch. I do want to start like a fitness journey, because aside from makeup and like all beauty things, I also like to take care of my health. I was thinking of like either recording for you guys like what I do at the gym, or like what I eat in a day, or things like that. Now have in mind that I am getting started at the gym and like trying to eat right and things like that. But let me know if you guys want to watch that, or just like leave any other ideas of like what kind of videos you guys want to watch. So this is what I'm doing. I'm basically doing the same thing throughout the whole hair. And the reason why I personally part my hair in the middle is because I normally put my hair like to one side, so I don't want the curls to all like go the same way, if you know what I mean. So I kind of prefer for like the curls to like have a mix of like one curl going one way and then the other curl going the other way. So I'm gonna start on the other side.
I've been all around
Over here. What is it called? Thanks.
Exactly on the hand.
I think when your hair is like dirty, or maybe like on the second day that you haven't washed it, I think the curls last longer. It does look nice when you don't have like perfect tight curls, and sometimes you just want like a messy look. For thicker pieces, you do want to leave it a little bit longer, just because it's obviously thicker hair and it takes the heat to really get through the hair. Kind of just see where you're missing some hair. And as you can see, I also didn't go like all the way to the root, because that will create like a tighter curl appearance, so I don't want that. Kind of just want to make it look like it's messy a little bit and it's not like perfect. So I think I'm done with all the hair. So I'm just gonna like run my fingers through it and kind of just like style it. So do you guys see how like on some curls the ends just look straight? And that's also because when I was doing it with the wand, I didn't go all the way to the curl. I just left like the end out. I can show you guys in like maybe this piece. I forgot to mention that too. So like when you're curling, you can just leave the end like that, or maybe you can curl more, but the end still either way doesn't go all the way. And then just let it go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just style it to how I like it. And the more you run your fingers through your hair, the more loose the curls are gonna get. So just depending on how loose you want the curls, you can just keep running your fingers through your hair. I really don't like the curl that like it curls all the way up to here. I normally run my straightener through that. I didn't bring my straightener in here. I have it in the bathroom. So I think I'm just gonna go get it and show you guys the way I do like my front piece and how I like it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and now I have my straightener. So like I said, what I like to do with this front piece, I like to divide my bang, grab like a thin section, and then just run the straightener through it. But when I run through it, I just kind of like, I'll show you through the side. I'll run it and then kind of lift, and then don't run it all the way through the hair. And then I'll grab like another section of the bang and do the same thing. So bring it forward and then kind of just curl, and then don't run the straightener all the way. What I like to use to add a little bit of more volume, like in the crown area, I like to use this Stylist Ultimate, I don't know, Biotin plus Volume and Texture by the brand Schwarzkopf. Basically what I do is grab a section from the crown area. Add a little bit of the powder. This is powder. And just put it where you want volume and kind of just blend it into the hair. And then do the same with another section. So I'm just gonna speed the process for this because it's basically the same thing.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying.
And then you can also go in with a teaser and just tease the sections a little bit. And then kind of still blend the powder in. And you could see it kind of creates that volume. And you don't need to be teasing your hair too much. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how to get this beachy wave natural curl, I guess you could say. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos from me. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.